Alright everyone, so because my screw broke off, I had to go find a replacement. So I got this little guy from my buddy Sid. Thank you, Sid. Much appreciated. I owe you. Now to get this back together is actually pretty simple. There's a gasket around the outside. Ooh, there's a gasket around the outside, and they give you these little tabs the gasket sits on. And pretty much that's all that holds this thing in. There's this little tab on the top right here. That's going to hook in, and this piece is going to hook in to the bed, and then the screws hold it in the top. So yeah, that's going to be about it. Again, I don't know if I can shoot this while I'm doing it. I'll try. That's pretty straightforward. Just drop this in. Oh, let's do it this way. Okay, Toyota, how do you expect me to do this? There it goes. Let me just wiggle it a little bit until this locks in. And it's not doing. Alrighty, so got the new one in. I just got to hook up the rods to it and then button her up. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to blast this screw in and we will be all done. So yeah, I mean, you guys don't need to watch me put it back together, and that's the story. Thanks for coming by, guys. Another project on the way. I think I'm actually going to tackle the giant holes in the wheel wells today. So that should be a fun one. Alright, have a good one. Thanks again, guys. Bye.